Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Marie France, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to refresh your slicked bun. So I had my hair done on Sunday night and today is Wednesday night, and as you can see it's pretty good still, but on the edges here it's like coming apart. So I'm gonna try to freshen it so that it looks fresh for the next 2 days while I'm at work. You know what I'm talking about? So let's get started. So I have my water bottle here and I'm just gonna spray the side, the place that I need moisture so that I can blend in my hair. And then I'm gonna be getting the Contour leave-in condition. So I'm focusing on my sides so that I can lay the edges. So, and then the back as well. And then I'm gonna get my brush, just like brush it in. Same thing for the back, and I feel like you can see like my style came apart here because this is what my focus is, to like fix my hair. And then I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel, same thing, I'm just not too much, like put it in the area. So like if you want, you can like redo the whole thing, or you can just do the parts. Like I don't feel like we're doing the whole thing and have to have it dry, or no, even if I'm leaving it overnight. And then I'm gonna take my go-to glue and put it there and there and there, and just brush it in. Just brush it in to lay it. So yeah, I think I'm happy, and when it's dry it's gonna look like I just redid my hair, all of it, which I didn't. And then I'm gonna take my head wrap and wrap it. So the next morning, ready for work, it's Wednesday night, no time to rewash my hair and slick it. I just want to freshen it up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is the next morning after refreshing my slick bun. As you can see, the sides look nice and fresh, as if I just did my whole hair, but I didn't. So yeah, something really quick to refreshen my hair. I did my fixing last night, and today's Thursday morning. So the next 2 days for at work, today Friday, even Saturday and Sunday, I might still rock this style, but by then I would like to do something nice and cool. So yeah, this is it. So let me know how you freshen up your hair, what you do, and give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye bye.